Okay, so Travessa do Soriano. So basically, we're gonna be going down the street behind me in a minute. But I just want to capture some of the cool stuff here too. I have filmed in this area before because it's so interesting, especially these two buildings, and especially that building as well. So we're gonna highlight that in a second, and then we're going to be going straight down that way. So. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So there's Travessa do Soriano. We're going to attempt to run across. And you can kind of see there's a kind of a cool little thing right here that they always have for food. It's quite tasty, I think. And I kind of want to capture this side because this side is equally interesting with this building like that. And we're going to sneak back across and look back over here again. So that's how interesting that spot is. Now we're going to go down this little alley, Travessa do Soriano. And this one leads right into what's the name of this church? There's a Mercados, so you got some Mercados to the right. So down there, there's like a little alley of Mercados. What do you call those Mercados? Marketplaces. Yeah, here's one right there. So now you can see this one. It's a lot of people all the way down. So they'll be getting like fresh food, vegetables, things like that. But we're not going to go down there because I have to do the COVID check stuff. Still in COVID. Macau doesn't have COVID, but everybody has to wear a mask anyways, and we're open to all the people in China can legally come here. Nobody else can, but all of China can. So you never know when COVID's gonna actually strike. So that's part of the issue right there. Okay, so now we're kind of in this St. Dominic's Church, São Domingos. And we're just gonna go around a little bit. And this is Largo São Domingo, and then that's Senado Square down that way. And it looks most beautiful at nighttime. Daytime it's not bad, of course, but and the police are checking IDs of the Filipino, because which is kind of interesting because it might be illegal, you know, who knows, but actually COVID, nobody's coming in, so I don't know. And then here's the church down this way. Hopefully a health code thing, so I think we won't go in. But anyways, that's our street. Hope you like that one.
Chiquinha.